Guys, we're gonna be making Dole Whip today using my Ninja Creami thing. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. Appreciate you being here. Listen, guys, I've had the Ninja Creami machine. It's not an ice cream maker, all right? So just get that out of your head. I've had it for a very long time. Since it came out, been staring at it. It's been in my pantry. I have a hard time with it, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. And this isn't a review, okay? We're gonna be making some awesome Dole Whip, like the stuff you get at Disneyland, Disney World, whatever. So just bear with me a hot second. But to me, all this thing seemed to be was a blender. Okay, just a different kind of blender, right? A little high powered, you know, gets in there. The thing about the Creami is you have to prepare your own base. You have to freeze it overnight, and then you stick it in there, and then it blends it up, okay? It smooths it out, creamifies it, if you will. So again, I've had a hard time wanting to use this and feature it in my videos because I think a lot of people get the impression that it's an actual ice cream maker, smoothie maker, sorbet, whatever, right? It's not, okay? What it is a high-powered blender of sorts that is gonna blend up and smoothify, that's a word, your ice cream bases, okay? So, what have I done already? One, we went on Amazon and bought the Dole Whip mix. Now, this comes in a bag. It looks like a bag of like powdered sugar or other flour, you know, it just look, or whatever else you have white powder in a bag for, you know, teach their own. Anyway, and you just mix it with water, and then you put it in the freezer and it becomes Dole Whip. So I thought, what a better way. Actually, it wasn't me. Mrs. CJ thought about it. She bought the stuff. She loves the Dole Whip. She's like, this would be perfect in the Creami. I said, you know what? Whatever you want. That's what I said. Anyway, so we are, what we've already done already is mixed up the powder with water. Got it in a little Pyrex dish, whipped it up together, make sure everything was nice and dissolved. And then we put it in our little pint, our little Creami pints, right? Max fill, okay, real simple. We were able to make 3 of them, put them in the freezer overnight, right? 24 hours, pulled them out today. I've already blended up one because Mrs. CJ couldn't wait for me to film this video. One's already done and it was perfect. So now let's go ahead and do another one for the video and you'll see how this works, okay? Really simple, easy video. I'll have an Amazon link down below for that Dole Whip mix. Guys, let me tell you, it is spot on to what you can get at Disneyland, okay? Or Disney World or wherever you've had Dole Whip before, right? Okay, so let's get to my Ninja Creami station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get this thing started. Oh, wait, don't go. Before we get blending, creaming, whatever, creamifying, whatever. Anyway, guys, see that spot right there? That is the spot for my play button when we hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, little bell next to it. If this video does well, maybe we'll do some more Ninja Creami videos, right? If not, got plenty of great stuff on here. So make sure you, let's get that play button up there. What do you say? All right, hit that thumbs up and comment down below too. Actually, comment down below and tell me what, if I decide to make more stuff in the Creami, what you think I should make in there. Cool? All right, come on back. Team, what do we got here? We have our frozen pint of the Dole Whip mix, I guess you call it. Okay. What else do we have here? We have the Creami bucket. I don't know what it's called. Put our Dole Whip cup in there, pint in there. We have a little alignment thing here. Here's the lid. Here's the blade that makes it creamified. Get that on there. Make sure we're lined up and locked and loaded. We'll go ahead and get it into the Creami. We have this thing ready to go. Creami's plugged in, right? Put this in there and it locks down into the base, and then you're gonna twist it up and lock it in. So it raises it up. Obviously we should turn it on. Then since this is more or less a sorbet, I'm gonna hit sorbet It's gonna get nice and loud in here. Takes no time at all. I'll keep track of how long it takes and let you know. It does get pretty loud, so I'm gonna drop the volume once it starts. Okay, it's been spinning for a couple minutes. That was the loud part. Now what's gonna happen is the blade is gonna be pushed down through it. They do all the mixing from the bottom or from the top down and then back up. And we are all done. Took a total of 3 minutes. Let's get this out. The little button over here, unlock. We go ahead and unlock the top. All right, that's what it looks like on the inside. And there's our Dole Whip. Looking luscious. All right, let's go ahead and get this in a bowl. Got me a little ice cream scoop. Put this away. Just a little bowl. We're taking it easy. Scoop it up, take some pictures, we'll try it. That'll be awesome. All right, team, we are done. Of course, you know I had to fancy it up, get some mint from my sad looking mint tree behind my shoulder there. Nice and soft serve style. That's looking too good. All right, cheers. Matt, is that Mickey over there? Wait, is that Donald Duck? Guys, we're at Disneyland with this. That's good stuff. Man, that's too good. I love that stuff. And you know, if you're into it, I've gotten this Dole Whip in Vegas. And they put a little rum, a little vodka in there with it, make a little float. So if you're into an adult beverage, you know, might be a way to go. Pretty dang good for sure. Listen, y'all, if you want to get one of these Ninja Creamis, I'll put a link down below to the Ninja website. Check it out. I think it does what it says it's gonna do, right? Again, this ain't a review. I haven't used it enough. Like I said, I have my own demons to bear with it. But if you're willing to take the time to get everything prepared and then freeze overnight, this is not one of those things you can just drop and like, hey, I wanna make ice cream today. You guys gotta plan ahead. But if you guys wanna do that, this will work for you. This made this very smooth, very creamy, exactly like Dole Whip that you get, you know, commercially. How about that? Besides the Ninja, if you guys want to get merch, knives, cutting boards, all that stuff, links to the website, all down below. Hit show more underneath the video. If you want to become a show producer like, you know, all these awesome people scrolling on the screen, Dole Whip loving people, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button. But we are done. Listen, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.